Well, I think it's important that Michigan is here because we're the leaders in making things in America, and I'm very proud to have Tim Bryan with me, who is bringing 500 jobs to downtown Detroit in the IT sector and health IT, and also PJ Thompson, who is with Trans-Matic, is a West Side manufacturer, and he joined us today. So we had the West Side and the East Side with us, but it's important to have Michigan because we really are leading the comeback in the country. We've been hit so hard, but yet we've turned it around with innovation, a lot of hard work, and a lot of folks just not giving up, and that's why I'm optimistic about the future. Well, there's a number of things we learned. First of all, I think we were in a meeting with a whole group of business leaders that are committed to making things in America. They're proud about using American materials and products. We also heard a lot of interest in focusing on education and job training so that we have the employees that are available for the future. I think that was important, but very strong commitment in the room of American manufacturers who are taking risks, who are hiring people, and they're committed to staying in America. Well, there's a whole range of things I've been involved in supporting innovation, advanced manufacturing, battery innovation, the health IT sector in terms of where we need to go. Michigan is #1 right now in clean energy patents because new ideas are coming from Michigan, and I'm very focused on making sure we can out-innovate and out-educate in a global economy.
Tim Bryan, I'm CEO of GalaxE.Solutions. We're a healthcare IT company with offices around the world, and almost 2 years ago we launched a program called Outsource to Detroit. Senator Stabenow has been supportive of it from the moment that it was conceived. We are bringing 500 IT jobs to downtown Detroit, helping to create an IT hub in that region to bring jobs back from offshore based on the fact that the quality of the work that we're able to accomplish satisfies the complexity requirements of the healthcare industry. Well, Detroit obviously had been hard hit, but the core values there, hardworking Midwesterners, affordable real estate, a Michigan educational system that is second to none, made locating in Michigan and in downtown Detroit in particular a very easy decision for us to make. Well, the city's on the rebound. I think as the senator would tell you any time that companies are coming back, people are starting to relocate into Detroit, and Michigan is helping to lead the way. We've had the greatest degree of job creation of any state in the nation, and the senator gets a lot of credit for that. The complexity of IT work has changed. It's become much more complex. If you're moving healthcare information, you're helping patients stay well, you're reducing the cost of healthcare. That's very, very complex work. It requires collaboration, it requires innovation. All of those things are much more easily achieved with a workforce that's based domestically as opposed to offshore. So we have led the way in expanding domestic operations in Detroit and in our other U.S. facilities in order to satisfy those complexity requirements. Absolutely. I mean, at the grassroots level, senators like Senator Stabenow are in touch with us all the time, understanding what we're trying to accomplish. But here in Washington, the government needs to react to what the real business situation is. And coming here, speaking with the leaders of government, from the president, the vice president, to the senators and members of Congress is critical so they understand what we're dealing with on a business basis, and they're able to help govern the country and form legislation and get us results that will help us be competitive internationally. The U.S. is in competition with other countries in the world, and our government needs to do everything it can to help us be successful. Personally, I've enjoyed the interaction, but most importantly, I understand that the senator and other leaders of the government are very interested in collaborating with business in order to create and grow jobs in this country. It's a great dynamic, and it's something we need to keep doing.
I am very excited that GalaxE decided to come to Detroit, is committed to Michigan, is bringing jobs back and leading efforts to bring jobs back from overseas. This is the direction we want them to come in, and it's wonderful to see business leaders like Tim who are really making a commitment to Detroit and to America.